Welcome to my channel How to AI, where we discover powerful AI tools that can transform the way you work. In this video, I'll show you an AI tool that can save your time, increase productivity, and help you grow faster. So today I'm talking about VideoProc Converter AI 8.8.0. VideoProc Converter AI is an advanced all-in-one video processing software designed for editing, converting, compressing, and recording videos with high efficiency. It is a powerful successor to earlier versions, offering enhanced AI features and level 3 hardware acceleration for ultra-fast processing. The software combines a UHD video converter, compressor, editor, downloader, and recorder into one platform. It gives users complete control over SD, HD, and 4K video files directly on their PC. One of the strongest features is level 3 hardware acceleration, utilizing GPU power from Intel, NVIDIA, and AMD. This allows encoding and decoding to be up to 64 times faster than real-time processing. This is especially useful for large 4K UHD videos, GoPro footage, and long YouTube uploads. The AI engine improves video quality by stabilizing shaky footage and removing unwanted noise and grain. It enhances clarity and corrects fisheye distortion, making it perfect for vloggers and travel creators. VideoProc provides lightweight but powerful editing tools to cut, trim, split, and merge your videos easily. You can add subtitles, apply filters, and even adjust audio-video sync or add your own watermarks. The software supports a wide range of formats including HEVC, H.264, MKV, and MP4 for seamless conversion. It can compress large files without quality loss, making them easier to share on WhatsApp or save storage space. The built-in downloader lets you save HD and 4K videos, audio, and even entire playlists from online platforms. You can record your screen, webcam, or gameplay, making it an ideal tool for educators and gamers. Additional tools allow you to create GIFs, resize images, and even extract JPGs directly from your video files. This is ideal for YouTubers, vloggers, drone pilots, and marketing professionals working with large files. VideoProc maintains high-quality exports with minimal degradation and stable encoding performance. It runs on Windows 7 through 11, requiring only 2 GB of RAM and minimal disk space. In summary, it's a powerful, lightweight, and beginner-friendly solution for all your video processing needs. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay ahead with the latest AI discoveries every week. See you in the next video.